folks, I have a Scout ukulele to show you today, number 787. This is all from shop scraps from other projects. So the back and sides are some beautiful curly myrtle, and it's a one-piece asymmetrical myrtle back. Cool myrtle sides with a nice swoopy grain in it. I really like it. And then this is Alaskan yellow cedar for the top. This is some of the yellow cedar from the beach at Camp Westwind. And the neck is also made of yellow cedar and myrtle. Big myrtle stripe down the middle there. And then walnut, everything else. I really like yellow cedar for the top. It's just a good top wood. I gotta do it more often. Excuse me. I played baritone all last week, so I had to get used to soprano scale again. Yeah, it really feels good. So, yeah, lightweight soprano scale made from shop scraps. I got to get some more of these done in order to get this waiting list down because it's starting to get unmanageable. So, this one's going out to the list tonight. Cheers.